this car ALSVIN is very new to the Pakistani, the Karachi roads, and today I want to share with you some issues about this car, and for the ALSVIN owners. Today I face an issue from the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system. And when I first saw it, there was when the car was being driven, in the speedometer was shown that there was a symbol, and it was yellow colored. So we looked in the manual and saw that this is a tire pressure monitoring system issue, and it was written that it was a failure. It was written tire pressure monitoring system failure. So when we read in the manual, it said that tire pressures, if were low, then then there will be a symbol shown. So we went home and filled our tires. As you can see, the tire pressure is 28. So we'll just start my tire pressure machine. Friends, the normal temperature for the ALSVIN tires are 32 psi, and when we got home and saw their pressure, it was less than 32. It was 26 in every tire or less. So we filled it up, and then we decided to take a look in the car that what is it showing, and we saw that it was normal. Let me show you. You went to settings, TPMS. As you can see, it's normal, and over in the speedometer there is no kind of the symbol that is shown for the TPMS. And please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, press the button below it, and subscribe my channel.